This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the color assist option on this drone. So first, make sure that the video shooting mode is selected so we can gain an access to the video mode preferences. Now launch your settings. Once again, this goes without saying, but switch everything on, connect aircraft to RC, and open the Go Fly interface inside the DJI Fly app. Once again, that goes without saying. Now here, open settings, select the camera category. Once again, I'm reminding you that you have to make sure that the mode that is currently selected is video. Then go into camera and look for the color display assist option. You can switch it on or switch it off, or switch it on in order for the camera view to display more natural colors to you, colors that will be closer to the colors that you'll get in the result video, that is. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.